Hi there, welcome back to another video. It's a seated yoga flow which you can practice in chair, sofa, of course over yoga mat. So let's get started. All you need is yourself and a will to practice with me. So let's get started. First and foremost, take a wall support or any support in the bed and just sit comfortably while spreading both your legs wide open. Spread your legs as per your ease and close your eyes and place your hands wherever you feel them comfortable and take 5 long inhalations and exhalations. Focus on breathing and then whenever you are done, you can gently make some movement and try stretching your feet one at a time while keeping the other one active. And then gradually fold your leg or bring them straight in front of your body. Fold the knee very gently and then try to massage your calf muscle. First the right leg and then try to stretch while supporting your thigh. Do the same from the left side. First massage your calf muscle while keeping the right leg active and then stretch the leg while supporting. Now from here, sit at the center of your yoga mat and then fold the left feet and bring the right toe over the left knee. Create some stretch in and around your right hip and keep pushing the knee down close to the left feet while keeping the sit bone completely straight. Do the same from the left side. This time the left hip will be working on. Stretch it nicely. And then sit up straight. Spread the leg right in front of your body. Keep the sit bones over the yoga mat. Sit straight in Dandasana. And try stretching your toes. And bring the right foot close to the left thigh. Inhale, hands goes up. Exhale to Januseshasana. Fold your knees if you need to. And try to look at the big toe. Or if possible, with every other practice, you can try grabbing the toe. Or you can keep your hands wherever you feel most comfortable at. And then exhale, hands goes up, relax. And then change your side. This time fold the left foot close to the right thigh. Inhale, hands goes up. And exhale to Januseshasana. Again, breathe over here and exhale. You can practice one more time. And this time try to go a little deeper than the last time. But it is okay to reach wherever you are comfortable. Hold the Januseshasana. Exhale, hands goes up and then release. Now again extend both the feet together right in front of the body. We'll be practicing Paschimottanasana. Inhale, hands goes up. Exhale to seated forward fold. Grab both the big toes or bring the hand from the sides of your feet. Fold knees if you have to. And breathe. Breathe nicely. And then inhale very mindfully, hands goes up. And then exhale, release. Now from here we'll be practicing a twist. For that, bring the right foot next to the left knee. Use the left hand support, keep the left hand and left leg active. Inhale, right hand goes at the back. Give yourself support and twist to the right side. Do not put a lot of weight on the right palm and continue breathing. Then come back to center. Change your leg to the left leg. Use right hand for the left knee. Left hand goes at the back. Inhale. Create more awareness in the chest and twist to the left. Continue breathing. Deep, nice inhalation and exhalation. And then with inhale, first look ahead and release the pose very gently. Let's practice a deeper twist. For that, fold the left leg, bring the right foot next to the left knee, and use your left hand to support your right knee, and use your right hand at the back to create more space for your twist. If possible, bring the right palm to the side of your side belly or the back and continue breathing nicely. And then exhale, release the pose. Change the side. This time right leg goes down, left leg over it. Use the right elbow to support the left knee. Left palm goes at the back or to your side of the spine, and then continue breathing. Have a nice deep twist where you breathe very nicely. Longer breaths, and then exhale completely and release the pose. Now take a moment to extend the legs again, and this time try to spread them a little wider than the hip width apart. Take your hands interlocked and create big circles around your toes, and try to go a little deeper with these. These are Chakki Chalanasana. It's like a grinding. It will create really nice awareness in your sit bones. And then bring the legs together. Take your hands and like a rope, you're stretching your arms up. Your shoulders will be really happy at this moment. Breathe nicely. Nice work over here, and then exhale and release. Now from here, get into a lower squat mahalasana. Keep your feet 45 to 60 degree wide open. Bring your hips lowered. Use any prop if you have to support your hips. Hands at the heart center. Keep the chest open and breathe. Hold the mahalasana. Focus on breathing and continuing to open. Keep the chest open. Breathe nicely over here. Practicing mahalasana for up to 1 to 2 minutes can really help you. And whenever you feel ready, release it. And now here, keep each knee over the other. This time right knee is going on top of the left knee. And use the hands. This time right hand is spiraling around the left hand and trying to enclasp both the palms together and hold the Gomukhasana. Breathe nicely. And then exhale and release. Now change the leg stance. This time left knee over the right. And of course, left hand will be taking the lead over the spiraling around the right hand. Try to touch both the palms together and breathe over here. Take longer exhalations. Hold the pose. Keep breathing. We're almost there. And then exhale completely and release the pose. Now from here, bring both the feet together and get into a butterfly pose. Try to sway the legs on the sides with control while holding both the feet together. If you are comfortable, you can bring your feet close to your groin even more. And then gently get into a forward fold while holding the butterfly pose. Breathe nicely. Hold the pose. Let your hips sink down over the yoga mat. With every exhalation, and then with inhale, sit up straight. You can close your eyes if you haven't already. You can use wall or the back of the head this time to support your butterfly pose. We will be taking a couple of weird breaths while holding the butterfly pose. We will let our hips, hamstrings, the whole leg feel relaxed and composed. Let our spine stay straight as water is falling from the back. Continue to be in the present moment while you continue to breathe. This will help you to have a really good posture throughout the day. Your aim should be on the breathing process. Breathe nicely. When you inhale, you should feel the air is going from nose to chest to belly. And when you exhale, the air is coming out of the belly, chest, and eventually from the nose. Try to focus more on longer exhalations. With inhale, feel the belly rising up. And with exhale, feel the belly going down. Tell yourself a big thank you for choosing to practice today and feel accomplished about what went great with today's practice. And whenever you feel ready, you can make some movement, rub the palms and gather the energy. Thank you for practicing with me. If you have liked anything about this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing And I will definitely see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.